All right, here's a lesson on Auld Lang Syne, the New Year's Eve tune. Happy New Year's to everybody. We're going to get with a C to a G, C, F, C, G, A minor to F, back to C. Okay, so that's your basic thing. So you might think about like a 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then go to your G. 2 and 3, 4, back to C. F, C, G, A minor, and these are quicker to the F. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, so let's try that together. 2, 3, 4. G, C, come on. F, C, G, A minor to F coming up. 2 and 3, 4. Okay, and then we can kind of funky this up a little bit and go. Strumming on the down, and then doing a staccato hit the next time, stopping that chord, and then I'm doing a muted hit, and then I'm doing an upstroke with the chord, and then kind of a dee-dum, dee-dee-dum. So trying to just do the same thing with G. See how sometimes these fingers over here can be helpful in muting down there. So when I have to mute this C chord, I'll make this just go flat so I can hit the strings and have a percussive element and not hit any strings that I don't want to hear, you know. So 3, 4. A minor, F. Okay, let's try it one more time. 2, 3, 4. One more time. Okay, now let's look at the melody we have. So our first notes are G string open, and then second string B string 1 0 1. So 2 3. See how we come in on the 4 there? 2 3 4 1 0 1. Now I slid from the 3 into the 5 there. 3, 1, 3. Okay, so let's double check everything. So 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna slide in the 5 again. 5, 3, 1. 1 again, a little open. 3 and 5. Okay, let's double check. 2, 3. Okay, now moving on, we got 5 and 3. Open, open. 1, 3, 1, 3, and then up to the 5. 5, 3, 1. 2, 2 on the G. Open on the G. 1 on the B string there, that C note there. Back to a C chord. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Jam it out a little bit, right? Little C7 in there. All right, Happy New Year's, everybody. 2026 coming around the corner. Hope you all have a good one.